how to not cause big problems in any relationship, especially your relationship in general. That is what I've been learning for the last 3.5 years especially, is to stop focusing on the problem, stop speaking about the problem to them or to others as well, even your friends. Stop bringing up the problem to your partner, stop calling out mistakes, stop focusing on what you don't want from your partner, stop like writing down and keeping a note of the things that you don't like, want or prefer. Stop like musing and dwelling over the things that you want that you're not getting. Stop like pity partying, so to speak. Sure, acknowledge your feelings and emotions 1000%. Just stop highlighting and focusing on all that you don't want, and start focusing on and writing down and keeping track of and noting and bringing up and talking about and appreciating all the things that you're getting, that you have, and note all the positive efforts and intentions and kindness and efforts and actions and behaviour of your partner, or even another person as well. It could be anyone. It applies to a human being, anyone. It can apply to your pets too. So focus on the positives and make a list of positive aspects, and think and talk about these things to both to your friends or your family, and obviously especially to your partner. So highlight what you want and don't highlight, de-highlight, diminish, de-escalate, lessen, to focus on, to talk about, to thinking of everything that you think is not nice, wrong or a mistake. Yeah. And I'm just trying to think like how this applies. If you're in a relationship with somebody who's like sort of psychopathic, sociopathic, or like very unwell, and it's to the point of them sort of acting in a way that's like considered truly narcissistic or truly abusive on an ongoing basis, and they're not changing and they won't check themselves, then you need to obviously make leave. But if it's someone who has their wits about them, they're in the process of healing and awakening, they're making positive change, then there surely, typically, in my experience especially, isn't a reason to bring this up to them, or to fight with them, argue, complain, criticize, judge. Leave that alone. I find that's best, because that just worsens things, and allow people through non-resistance to change by their own inspiration and evaluation of themselves, rather than you sort of shoving it down their throat, so to speak. You know, people are clever and wise, and they're growing in cleverness and wiseness, and so are we. So do we like when people highlight our little misdemeanors or mistakes? So yeah, I don't think so. So it's probably most surely best not to do that with them also, in nearly all relationships. And use your intuition and go what feels good. But I hope this video helps, and I hope it makes a great deal of sense to you. So we cannot, I'll leave you with a famous quotation, we cannot change things on the same level of consciousness as this level of consciousness that created the problem in the first place. And the energy, frequency, vibration and level of consciousness of resistance, intolerance, judgment, condemnation, accusations, put-downs, attacking, counter-attacking, is the same lower vibration, or the same vibration anyway, that caused the issue to be there and to keep it being there. So through practicing thoughts that bring peace and harmony to us, mentally and emotionally and physically, because it's all connected deeply, truly, 100%. And by acting in a peaceful and harmonious way, one, we we want, which is peace and harmony. That's our goal, our end result goal, peace and harmony. So we master our thoughts and perception and definitions and labeling and belief systems to be like that. So we get what we want in the first place, which is happiness and peace. And second of all, we travel the longest journey, which is from our head to our heart, which is the destination we all want. It's the treasure, the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. That takes great power and mastery. And thirdly, with a new level of consciousness, inspired ideas and helping others to feel peace and harmony by us bringing peace and harmony to them in the first place will help them to transform and to be inspired to change rather than thinking they're being forced into change. Like no one wants to be forced into change or told what to do. By creating a bubble or a space of peace, then that people will be inspired to change. So yeah, we may give suggestions occasionally or may say something occasionally, but it's from peace. There's no big heaviness or attachment involved. That's what's helped me in my life, my relationship with people and my partnership. So yeah, hope this video helps, my friends. Please feel very welcome to be inspired to share this with others so they can be helped and transform their life and relationship. Feel welcome, very kindly invited to befriend me on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Odyssey video station as well, and YouTube. And to stay connected, to leave me a personal message, say hi, and introduce yourself briefly. If you befriend me, that'd be lovely. Mention if you've seen this video or etc. And for anyone who wishes to collaborate, just mention if you want to do a collaborative interview or anything like that. I'd love to do that. And I also love to hear from you, make new friends and collaborations. And I love also, if I can help anyone with my herb store, I have a discount to 20 to 25% off new customers and bulk deals at my Higher Self Herbs herb store. So name it, every single body part's benefited depending on the herb. So it's great. I love that. I mean, my family love to do that and help the world, help people. We love that so much. We're very appreciative. And we appreciate and thank all of our customers as well. So there's a lovely coupon code, and it's just compassion, love, forgiveness is 20% off. So check out my description for my social media links, my website, my herb store, Higher Self Herbs. And I also truly, deeply love to release my books and video courses soon on a whole lot of spiritual and self-healing topics and raising our frequency, vibration and consciousness and creating the life that we truly want to live and being able to, knowing how and being able. So that's beautiful. I love that so much. Let's take a nice deep breath together before I fully end. I love the peace that brings. Alkalize and oxygenate through deep breathing. Through and in and out the nose, belly first like the children and babies, then the chest, then the head. Full deep breath. Get 95% of the oxygen and the other air, the other gases that are healthful for us. Love and respect you, my friend. Special human, special soul. And yeah, finally, if anyone wants coaching, I do coaching. It's €111 for an hour. I love to do that. It's my passion to help you with relationship coaching, health coaching, and overall holistic life coaching. That's my passion also, and I love that so much. I'm so blessed to be able to do it to help people. It's taken me 15 years to learn all this, coupled with the whole life before that of experiences and a lot of suffering before that as well. So yeah, I love people and I love life, and I love making videos and writing books and content on social media as well. So yeah, I wish you a beautiful day, a happy and peaceful day and evening, and a wonderful life. Thanks for watching, and thanks for connecting, and thanks for being you and helping the world. And I'll see you another time in another video. Lots of love, take care, have a beautiful day.